Bababa ako.
No, you just go straight there and then walk that way. Don't go this way because
Kahirap kaya ito.
the soil might be slippery.
Aray ko.
Bakit kayong gumawa na niyan?
Ako. Ako lang gumawa niyan. Nahagdan. Yan. Kukuha ko ng orange.
No, you go straight down this way.
No, down this way. Down. Oh. You help me pick the orange.
And then you can go this way.
Aray ko. Lumaki rin. Wow, kalaki nga. O yan, pick mo yan. Dali, wait. Wait.
Both of these?
Let me see. Ay, hindi yung isa. Ay, kalaki naman pala, no?
I told you.
Yung isa.
Just one?
O, sige, dalawa na lang. Blood orange ito.
Yeah.
Bubuksan ko mamaya, makikita nyo. Let me see. Uy, kalaki nga.
Yeah.
Wow. For the first time. Okay. Now, yung isa naman. Doon tayo sa kabila.
We go up there and
Yan pa, oh. Meron pa. Marami pa. Marami pa siyang bunga.
it's not quite.
Yeah. We'll leave that one.
Yeah.
Ito lang dalawang malalaki. Tapos, ito wala siya pero orange din yan.
I think this is your regular native.
Yeah, ito naman regular orange lang to. Itong nauna blood orange. Pick. Andun sila sa ilalim eh. Pick just the big one. Is it big? Okay. Don't mix it though. Ooh, there's another one there. Let me see.
You can tell.
Oh, mas malaki ngayon yung blood orange ko ah. Ayun pa oh, babe, kalaki.
Well, I don't want to pick too many. What if it's not sour? Or what if it's not?
I know, but if it's gonna masira. Is it ripe, you think?
Oh, it's a big one.
I know. Yan. So, itong dalawang ito iba. Tapos ito yung blood orange. Okay. We will go back. Ayun yung isang gate ko. Are we gonna go back this way? Dito na lang. Doon kami galing kanina. Aray ko. Ay, hindi mo na makita. Doon kami galing kanina. Bumaba doon. Saka kami nagpunta doon. Hiningal ako ah. Ito yung isang side ng yard ko.
Ambulance.
Ito oh. Oh. Yan yung barbecue namin. Dito kami sa kabila. Sina tatay andun sa kabila.